We cannot afford that.
No, I understand that, my lady. My lady, all that I can say is that from our side, we will definitely endeavour to finalise the processes as soon as possible, my lady. We can even, if it need be, we can ask for the committee to adjourn.
Hello everyone, Ganuchisano and welcome to my channel. So, Dr. Nandipha Magudumana, her partner Thabo Bester, who is a convicted rapist and murderer, along with 8 co-accused, appeared in the Bloemfontein High Court today for a pre-trial hearing over charges linked to Bester's 2022 prison escape. Now, social media could not help but notice how underwhelming Dr. Nandipha looked this time around. Remember, she and Thabo Bester are known for looking proper during their court appearances. Now, Bester is the one keeping up the glow and the theme, with Nandipha looking like reality has finally sunk in. Now, one person commented, Nandipha is getting ugly. Prison food. You lose weight and grow this massive cheekbones. It's the ethanol, Sekgowa, a drug hormone given to prisoners in their food to prevent sexual desires cause they grape each other in there. Ha, it's gaxa. As if this person didn't just drop a bombshell on us. They went on to say, go to female prisons. They assault each other, grape occurs, and their hygiene is bad. You get one sanitary towel. It's bad, man. It smells like period blood in there. Unhygienic. Another person commented, but I'm sure your family can bring you toiletries. Do they allow it in there? The bombshell dropper responded, 6-pack will be brought to you. Guards stole 3. They give you 3 and sell you or other prisoners the other 3. It's bad in there. Then someone asked, is it like that even for those undergoing trial? They are not yet convicted to lose normal privileges. This is definitely a good question, but if the bombshells this person is dropping are true, then I'd just plead guilty and quit the BS if I was Nandipha. Phela, the trial can go on for 10 to 15 years, and she's already aging before it even begins. Mind you, Dr. Nandipha is charged with fraud, violating a body, corruption, arson, assisting convicted rapist and murderer Thabo Bester escape, harboring and concealing an escaped prisoner, and defeating the ends of justice. So she'll need a miracle and a half to walk scot-free. But Ugel still has the energy to go to the Constitutional Court, claiming her constitutional rights were violated when she was brought back to South Africa alongside convicted murderer Thabo Bester in April 2023. By the way, one of the accused struggled to breathe today during the court proceedings. Here's a snippet.
It seems he's struggling to breathe. I asked her to just take a short adjournment.
We would adjourn for a few minutes. If necessary, let us get the necessary emergency services.
All rise.
Thank you. We would adjourn for a few minutes.
Do you think the accused was really struggling to breathe or faking it? Now, the judge overseeing this high-profile case voiced frustration over ongoing delays, emphasizing the strain this setbacks place on judicial efficiency and the broader issue of resource allocation within South Africa's legal system. The judge urged for a definitive plan for the trial to commence by the 21st of July 2025. However, a legal representative indicated that their schedule doesn't permit them to be available on the 21st, so the accused are expected back in the Bloemfontein High Court on the 19th of September 2025. You see how easy this case could go on for the next 10 to 15 years with Dr. Nandipha in the holding cells. So do you feel sorry for Dr. Nandipha now that she's looking like the gravity of her charges? Another person said, example of what happens when you love money too much but don't like to work legally for it. Another person replied, and when your husband and kids aren't fulfilling you, so you go date a thug to spice your life up. Anyway, do let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.